This is my Mucinex DM review. You've got to stay tuned because I cough up something nasty at the end. This right here is the war chest of a man who's been experiencing flu-like symptoms, the cough and the cold. Featured performer is the Mucinex. Oh, there are a lot of Mucinex haters out there, Google being one of them. I Googled Mucinex, and Google says prominently, though it's been shown in some studies to have a small effect compared to doing nothing, which is a placebo, Mucinex has no evidence of working. What? Maximum strength Mucinex Fast Max DM Max. It's going to control cough, relieves chest congestion, thins and loosens mucus, 4-hour dosing, 20 milliliters every 4 hours. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna pour it in. This is what it looks like. I'll tell you what it tastes like. It reminds me a little bit of NyQuil, but it doesn't taste that bad. It's not that potent, not that strong. And if you wanna peel back that label, you can really get the information that you need. We're gonna go ahead and taste it. I'm gonna give you the taste. It doesn't taste bad. I already mentioned that. I already told you that. Now make sure you clean off that cap before you boob bap and you put it on you. Now have yourself a coughing fit. You want to be productive with your coughs. Get it all out. Oh. I coughed up a moon pie. Mucinex, 2 thumbs up. By the time 09 rolled around, I was looking up consent ages in my local town. 16 would be sweet, and you know I couldn't wait 6 more years and Raymond would have a date. I asked Dad for his blessing and he hesitated. He was begging me to wait, so we had a debate. Daddy let me penetrate. How about